Hi, I'm Hemanth and I am a research/developer intern at TactLabs. My intern journey started on November 2020. I came across this internship and I thought I could try it. I applied for this internship and got selected in Featurepreneur. And from there, we were exposed to some trending technologies like Fast API, Flask, MongoDB, and more. We were prepping up for the internship at TactLabs by learning these technologies and updating ourselves every day. Based on my interest and commitment to learn, I got selected as an intern, that too in a research/developer role. That was amazing for me. The very first thing happened to me in TactLabs was I was put in a team of three, including myself. I was not a team player back then, but my perspective on working as a team completely changed. I had such a great team to work with. I never ever imagined in a million years that I would work as a team member. I thought I could never fit in as a team player, but TactLabs completely destroyed that thought and made me an amazing team player. I learned a lot with my team, and also, as they say, we all got each other's back too. The very first task was so complicated. It seemed to be easy but was definitely a tough one. We had to deal with image processing and we came up with many algorithms and had to optimize it too. I loved the process. I worked on some of the most challenging projects during my internship, such as image analysis, handwriting analysis, essay analysis, web scraping, and more. I got an opportunity to work with latest technologies like Flask, Docker, TensorFlow, Keras, and other image processing technologies. Another TactLab work culture that I love is gamified learning. I fell in love with that process where you learn things as you play. This was an absolute goal for me and I utilized it as much as I can. We also had AMA, trivia time, spin the wheel, and other technical and non-technical events, which is really amazing, and it also is a stress buster. I learned a lot and I am grateful for such a wonderful opportunity. I really thank Raja sir for selecting me and making me believe that I can also be a part of something. Thank you Raja sir, and thank you TactLabs for such an amazing experience.